Welcome to the second premiere of the National Training Agency's Youth Development in TVET series. The NTA operates under the aegis of the Ministry of Education and has been charged with the responsibility of creating a competent workforce through access and delivery of high-quality education and training. As such, the NTA believes that it has a critical role to play in facilitating the development of young people through the route of technical vocational education. Today, we have Mr. Colin Providence, Senior Business Incubation Officer from the National Entrepreneurship Development Company Limited, NEDCO, and a brilliant young entrepreneur, Ms. KINESHA CHARLEAU, founder and owner of Fresh Press Factory. Together, they will share with us the details of the NEDCO Business Accelerator program, and more importantly, the achievements and benefits of participating in the program. So thank you for being with us today, and I will now hand you over to Mr. Colin Providence and Ms. KINESHA CHARLEAU.
Hi, my name is Colin Providence, and I'm the Senior Business Incubation Officer at the National Entrepreneurship Development Company Limited, NEDCO. It is our pleasure today to have this discussion with you on the Business Accelerator program. Joining me today, we have Ms. KINESHA CHARLEAU, who is the owner of the Fresh Press Factory, and she is one of our participants in the Business Accelerator program. And KINESHA is going to share some of her insights into how she started her business and also tell us about her time in the Business Accelerator program. KINESHA?
Hi, I am KINESHA CHARLEAU, the founder of the Fresh Press Factory, which is a health and wellness brand with a focus on food and beverage. And it's a pleasure to be here to talk about the program.
Thank you very much, KINESHA, and it's a pleasure to have you here as well. Before we begin, let me just talk a bit about what the Business Accelerator program is for those of us who are unfamiliar. The Business Accelerator program is a program established by NEDCO, and the aim of this program is to assist entrepreneurs with developing their business. We are looking for exceptional entrepreneurs who have an appetite for risk and who would want to take their business to the next step or the next level. Our focus has been on the tenets coming out of the Vision 2030 program, which is to nurture citizens who are more creative, innovative, and entrepreneur-minded. And we want to begin with an investment in education. So, KINESHA, with this in mind, tell us a bit about how you started your business.
Well, how I started my business was pretty interesting, actually, because initially, this was not the business that I started. I left my job in 2019, and 1 month post this, that's when COVID hit. So initially, I was going to do interior designing through my company, Haven Spaces. Then, obviously, as COVID hit, I cannot go into person spaces because that's a personal thing. So I had to think quick, and that is when the Fresh Press Factory was born, actually just 1 week after COVID hit. So it is my lifestyle, and it has a pretty interesting idea into how it started.
Oh, that sounds very interesting. I have another question. How did you find a passion? What was your passion really? Or what really pushed you? I heard what you would have said, but what really inspires you or motivates you to continue this particular business?
Okay, so even though it started so abruptly, it was still a plan. It just wasn't a plan for that time. It was a plan because this is actually my lifestyle, and something that I am very passionate about is making your work, which is something that you're going to do for the majority of your life, letting it be something that you're passionate about, and it is a reflection of my lifestyle.
Excellent, excellent. So again, just going back to this program, we paid particular attention on the entrepreneur and really helping them to fill the gaps in terms of the different training areas or some of the business areas that they would need to improve upon so that they could go to the next level. I know that you've recently started the program, but tell us a bit about some of the courses that you would have already participated in and how having participated in those courses, it has helped you and your business.
Okay, so 2 of the courses really stood out to me, and that would be costing and pricing. Reason being is because we tend to forget so many significant factors when doing our costing and pricing. We tend to think, okay, yes, we want our packaging to be pretty, but that extra bow has a cost. And then another thing that I realized that many persons don't focus on is wear and tear on your machinery. So at some point, you're going to need to replace that machinery, and that is a big ticket item that we really need to consider into the pricing of our product. And the next one would be digital transformation. Because initially, let's say like last year, for example, photos that was the main factor, that was the driving force. But fast forward to this year, now video. So it's something that is ever changing and something that we need to keep abreast of to ensure that we reach our target audience.
That is really, really excellent news. I'm really happy to hear that you're taking what is being taught to you and applying it to your business, and you're seeing some meaningful results coming out of this experience. But tell me, what are some of the challenges you've encountered on your journey so far, and how have you overcome some of these challenges?
So some challenge that I think that this program has really helped me with so far is sometimes, given the nature of business, it is extremely hard. It is taxing. And I know that it would have been taxing, but being full-time and experiencing the anxiety that you experience, it's a whole different ballgame from when I was part-time. So this program has helped to build my business acumen. So now that I am more confident in going after my goals and really just pushing myself and being resilient with business altogether. I'm
really, really happy to hear that. This particular program, the Business Accelerator program, it's a program that is open to persons who are 18 years of age or older and are citizens or residents of Trinidad and Tobago. You have to be recommended from a partner institution. Now, you were recommended by which institution?
That would be YTEPP.
From YTEPP. Did you learn the particular skill that you're employed in terms of your business right now, or was this a skill that you learned elsewhere, or did you learn it through YTEPP?
I actually learned it through YTEPP, and then entering into this program, it just really sealed the foundation that was set by YTEPP. So it's building upon a solid foundation.
Okay, excellent. And this is what I was trying to understand. So you would say that you would have gotten the technical skills, and now that you're trying to get the business management skills, the Business Accelerator program is really the catalyst to take you to that next level.
Indeed.
So how did the Business Accelerator program help you to develop your small business thus far? So I know you spoke about some of the areas where it helped in terms of the training courses, but give us something very specific. Give us an example of how the program really helped you to take the business to the next level.
So in terms of my packaging, so I have made significant progress in how I present my products. So that way people eat, because it's food and beverage I'm in, eat with their eyes first. So now when I post pictures, people like, that looks so good. They cannot taste it, but just by the looks, they perceive that it will taste well. So I knew that I needed to work on my branding, and I did that, and I am seeing the progress as a result of it.
Excellent, excellent. And would you recommend this program to your fellow graduates or persons coming out of YTEPP who want to take their business idea or what this new skill that they've learned to the next level? Is this a program that you would recommend for them?
It is definitely a program that I would recommend. Reason being, sometimes we need that professional help. We need that guidance to take our business to the next level, and this program facilitates such, especially as it's easy to get on to the mentors and the persons giving the program. So it's a really friendly environment to get the work done.
All right. And tell us about the actual courses themselves in terms of the timing. Is the timing of the courses convenient to you? And in terms of, you spoke of your business advisors and your mentors. Do you have easy access to those persons, and how seamless is it for you? Is it that you have problems once you come to the courses and you get the information if you need it to be reinforced? Do you have any problems with accessing the business advisors?
No, I do not have any problems. I send emails frequently, especially as of recently. I send frequent emails and I get a response, which I truly appreciate. It shows their dedication to really assist you on your journey and the fact that they really want to see you accelerate in your business and take it to the next level. So I love the timing of the program, of the courses and everything, especially those who are involved. That personal touch, it really is warming.
Right. So KINESHA, tell me a bit about the application process. How easy was it for you to apply, and what steps did you have to go through?
So actually, I was recommended by YTEPP, which I'm very grateful for. Post recommendation, that's when I had to do a rigorous interview to determine best fit. So because NEDCO really wants to ensure that these persons are committed to the program, the interview was very detailed, and then we got a guideline as to how to get our business to the next level. So it was an easy application process, basically, and now I'm here today.
All right, all right. I'm really, really happy to hear that the process itself was seamless for you. So thank you very much for that information. All right, and I will just finally ask you, how did you hear about the program at NEDCO? And also tell us a bit about what YTEPP would have done for you to take you to this particular step before you came across to the accelerator.
So with YTEPP, that was actually the first entrepreneurship course that I ever did. When I decided that this was the journey that I wanted to take, I was looking for programs. And that was the first program I decided to take. And I took vacation just to enter into that program and dedicate myself. So it really did set the foundation for what I am and what I will be in the future. And in relation to finding out about this program, this is where social media is really a powerful tool, because I found out about it on Facebook. So social media is really powerful.
Excellent, excellent. So KINESHA, I thank you so much for sharing with us today and really giving a full perspective on how the program works. As someone who is actively involved in the program, I think you're able to share a real-time information with our viewers in terms of what the program is doing and how you are progressing. And of course, we wish you all of the best. We wish you all successes, and we want to help you and to grow and to take your business to that next level. So again, thank you so much for joining us today, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for having me.
In closing, I'd like to give a special thanks to NTA for the Youth Development in TVET initiative and our partnership with NEDCO. It was really exciting to be a part of this, and we really hope to see this initiative continue to grow and prosper as we continue to be there for the youths of Trinidad and Tobago.